Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. I'm going to be checking out this Turbofan Air Duster Storm Infinity Extreme Wind Speed Stepless Speed Regulation. This is the first one I've seen that has like a little vacuum attachment, so that's pretty sweet. 180,000 RPMs to 50,000 adjustable. So check this out. I have a couple keyboards here to clean off, a little spill of coffee there. You know, we'll just check out the effectiveness of this thing here. All right, we have our instructions there. Nice packaging. A couple of like adapters here. This is for these will blow up your inflatable devices in no time. I'm going to use this on a kayak. We'll see how quickly we can blow this up. I like how it has multiple attachments, so that is very cool. Blow up. You take this to the river or whatever and blow up whatever things you need. Attachment there. So this is the vacuum attachment here. Check that out. It's pretty cool. It is clear. A little stick that on the back. Looks like we have a key puller here too and a little duster. And then, of course, we have our charging cable. And this guy, wow, it's hefty. So we have a little, let's see what we got here. We got the power, like up and down switches here, USB plug right in the back. Got the fan thing there. Let's see. Whoa. Okay, that's got a power. Nice little flashlight there too. That is sweet. And we have an up and down thing. I was like pushing back on my hand when I turned that on. It's got some serious power here. You could hear the intensity. Let's see here. So turn down hold it down. That's nice. It shows the power right here, indicator with the bars. But you can see the kind of the low revolutions there. Now we can just gradually push it to increase or hold it down. The step increases to wherever we want it. I mean, it's putting out some serious wind there. Okay, so I have a couple some stuff on my keyboard. I'm gonna just kind of blow it off of there if I can. I'm gonna use the vacuum though first. So the attachments here go on there fairly easy. Let's see which one blows side. So this comes out the side of the flashlight right there. So this just goes in there on the back and turn it clockwise to lock in place. It has a little indicator there too. You can turn it clockwise. Okay, so I have some coffee grounds here. Let's see how well it does like picking those up there. Let's turn this thing on. Oh, wow. I actually sucked those up really good. I got some hairs on my computer stuff. My cat was walking around here. Wow. Okay, this thing is intense. Check this out. So I sucked up some hairs, some other stuff, sucked up a bunch of coffee, and it just kind of gets all caught in there. Pull this out. Just got this little thing here. We can pop that out. You can see pretty much everything is caught in there. A lot of the coffee grounds. This thing has some intense power. Look at all that is sucked up there. It just sucked those cat hairs up like nothing, and some of it collects here in the bottom. Here's one of my cat hairs right there. Wow, I'm really impressed with this, my friends. That's got some pretty insane power there. This one goes on there on the end. And then these just attach on there. So we can put in, I like about this, I've had some other ones I tested out and they only had like the one little nozzle. So some rafts, they have like the really big one. And I like how each of these is just fully customizable. So you can put them on there. I'm going to be inflating my kayak in real time and see how quickly I can do that. This vacuum, though, I just want to stress on this real quick. It's crazy. I would recommend this, just using this in a car. It has so much power. Like, I'm gonna actually go test this in the car so you guys can see. I'll do a little cleaning in my truck. Needs a little bit of vacuuming, but I'm really impressed with this. So small, so you can really get in the crevices. Nice little crevice tool there. Let's do some other real world testing. But so far, guys, I'm really impressed with this. Let's go check out some other stuff here, shall we? This little vacuum works great for pet hair. I have a long-haired cat that likes to sit on my lap all the time, and this just sucked the hair right off my pant legs, which is pretty amazing. You usually have to use like a lint roller or something, so this worked really well. It had some spilled cocoa powder on the ground there with some other stuff from, look at that, makes short work of everything. I'm really surprised at how powerful this little vacuum cleaner is. Just works impressively well, cleaning out my dryer lint screen here, and just, yeah, it works great. It's a little noisy, but phenomenal. It's so small. I can use it to clean up my car easily and quickly, and gets into the really hard to reach areas that a larger vacuum would be difficult to get. You can see it's sucking up the small rocks and everything with no problem. I'm just really impressed with this. It's very handy. I highly recommend it for just all around, like little messes here and there. Cleaning out this area of my console as well. You can see it reaches pretty much anywhere. The long nozzle makes it very handy. Even suck off hairs and dust off my screen, off my dashboard. Just very impressive for sure. All right, so this is pretty crazy. Look at all that stuff it caught already. This thing is no joke. It's very impressive as far as just being a little vacuum guy. Look at that. Already got a ton of stuff in there. Very handy. It's so small. Just put it in your car and clean out that stuff, all that. Okay, inflatable kayak. We'll just put this little end on here. Pick the desired portion that we want. Place it on here, number one, and here we go. This is real-time inflating of this kayak. This first portion, I'm using the part that has a valve in it, so it's a little bit more resistance. And the second one I use is the one without the valve. So I think it goes a little quicker without the valve, but then you have the air can leak out a little bit if you're not using the valve. So I went with that. But you can see this is real time and inflate this good sized kayak in almost no time at all. So if you were to use a hand pump or something like that, this would it takes me about 5 minutes with a hand pump. So this is, look at that, already there, one section done. And this portion I used the larger end, just switched over to that. And it went actually quite a bit quicker, as you can see when I start filling up here. Look at that, very impressive. This little duster vacuum does a great job. Look at that. So pretty much inflated in about a minute or so. It moves a lot of air. Pretty powerful here. I'm using it on this my lint cover. I vacuumed some parts out, and now I'm using the blower attachment to get out of the crevices. The other part you can see is quite powerful. That's been caked on there for a while. You know, the dust and the lint dries, and then it can be difficult to take off there. But this thing does a great job, whether you're blowing dust or things off of your computers or out of your lint trap, or using it as a vacuum to clean up your car, or a small spill around the house, getting pet hair off your furniture and things like that. This thing is very useful, and it's a great little tool. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. I hope it's helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.